Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the best foods for healthy lungs. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. It's critical to look after your lungs if you actually want to improve your overall health. One of the most effective methods to do so is to keep a tight check on what you consume, because they operate to bring in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. The lungs are a vital organ for human life. All of this takes place without us even realizing it. Providing your body with correct nutrition will help your lungs operate better and your overall health. The best foods for healthy lungs, detox, cleanse, are as follows. Number 10. Oranges. Vitamin C, iron and vitamin B6 are all abundant in oranges. The latter two are required for the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body. Oranges have been shown in studies to help lower blood pressure, which has a direct impact on lung function. Vitamin C, according to another study, can both prevent and treat acute upper respiratory tract infections. Number 9. Chili peppers. Chili peppers, like cayenne pepper, contain capsaicin. Chili peppers are commonly used in Mexican and other cuisine around the world. Some recent research, like others discussed in this page, imply that chili peppers help inhibit the progression of lung cancer. Antioxidants aid in the removal of free radicals from the body. Free radicals have been linked to genetic alterations, which can impair the operation of any organ in the body, including the lungs. These mutations have the potential to cause cancer, which is something we certainly want to prevent. This is why eating fruits and vegetables strong in antioxidants is so beneficial to your lungs' health. Number 8. Cayenne pepper. Cajun cuisine is known for its use of the cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper not only aids a fairy kick to your cuisine, but it also promotes healthy secretions in the body that preserves mucous membranes. This is significant because the lungs have a large quantity of mucous membrane tissue where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. Cayenne pepper includes beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that has been demonstrated to help asthma sufferers. It also contains a lot of capsaicin, a chemical molecule that aids in the fight against infections, maintains mucous membrane health, and improves blood flow. Additional nutrients are delivered to the lungs as a result of improved blood flow. Number 7. Onions. Although onions are essentially vegetables, many people use dried onions as a flavoring in their cooking. Onions can help to boost your cardiopulmonary system by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. Number 6. Garlic. Another spice that helps reduce inflammation in the body is garlic. It has antibacterial characteristics that assist the body fight infections in addition to reducing inflammation. According to one study, raw garlic ingestion can reduce the risk of lung cancer in smokers by up to 40%. Number 5. Turmeric. Curcumin. Turmeric contains the active anti-inflammatory chemical curcumin, which is commonly used in Middle Eastern and Asian cuisine. Turmeric has a lot of the same lung health benefits as ginger. Number 4. Ginger. In herbal medicine, ginger has traditionally been used as an asthma cure. Ginger not only fights inflammation, but it also appears to naturally induce smooth muscle relaxation in the lungs' airways, making breathing easier. Number 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds include omega-3 fatty acids as well as lignans, which have a variety of health benefits. In a study involving mice exposed to hazardous substances, the animals whose diet included flaxseed had less lung damage when examined under a microscope. The researchers couldn't tell if the omega-3 fatty acids or the lignans were to blame for the result. However, the idea stays the same. Flax seeds are beneficial to your lungs and overall health. Chronic inflammation has a slew of severe health consequences, according to the medical research. This means that anti-inflammatory foods are particularly beneficial to your lungs. Number 2. Nuts. Nuts are another excellent source of healthy fats. According to studies, a little handful of nuts every day can reduce the risk of cancer. According to the research, eating one serving of the walnut each day can cut your risk of cancer up to 50%. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids in it. While these good fats are well known for their cholesterol-lowering properties, research shows that they can also aid with asthma symptoms. Salmon is not only excellent for your lungs, but it can also help you avoid heart diseases. Salmon isn't the only fish that's high in omega-3 fatty acids. Steelhead trout, sardines, and coveys are also high in these beneficial fats. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.